Did you know Julius Caesar ignored every possible warning about his death and walked straight into his assassination? On the morning of March 15, 44 BC, the most powerful man in Rome should have stayed home. Weeks earlier, a fortune teller had grabbed Caesar in the street and warned him to beware the Ides of March. That very morning, his wife Calpurnia woke up screaming from a nightmare where she watched him die. She begged Caesar not to leave their house. The priests sacrificed animals to read the future and found terrible omens in their blood and organs. But Caesar dismissed it all as superstition. As he walked toward the Senate, a senator rushed up and handed him a scroll. It contained the names of every conspirator and their entire murder plot. Caesar never even opened it. He assumed it was just another boring petition and tucked it away. Within hours, 23 senators surrounded him and stabbed him to death. The universe had given Caesar every warning possible, supernatural and real. He ignored them all